a huge snowstorm. This is not an ordinary snowstorm. As you can see, it's raining a little bit. Wait. Oh, look at this. Look at all that snow. The streets. Saturn. Oh my god. Look at that. Hold on. Yeah, close zoom in on that. You see all that red stuff? Yep. Now this car is just covered. It's insane.